How to change birthday on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down to the Support and About section. Select Report a Problem. After selecting, scroll down to the bottom. Hit the Chat with Us button. Choose Account as the type of issue you are facing. You can see an I want to update my birthday option in the message. Tap on it. Now, hit the Edit Date of Birth from the message. Enter your correct date of birth. After that, press the Confirm button. Hit Confirm again in the pop-up. Finally, click on the Done button to successfully update your date of birth. This is how you can change your birthday on TikTok.